Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. So I'm talking about provisions in a will. And one paragraph, clause, or provision that you should, that could very well be in there, it's not required, but it makes sense, is a survivorship clause. So the idea behind that is, if a person passes away, and you have two heirs, A and B. You say, if I die, I want everything to go to A and B. It could be a spouse, could be two children. Now, what if you're in a car with A, and you're driving, and both the person that's the testator, right, the person that makes the will, and A are in the car together, and you both die. Now, is it clear if A predeceased you? What if the driver of the car, the testator in my example, right, the maker of the will, is driving, gets into a car accident, dies immediately. The person A, that was the passenger in the car, lives, 4 days, 3 days, hours later, and then dies. Now, in the will that went from the maker of the will to A and B is still alive. B would get 50%, and A would get 50% because A outlived the maker of the will. But now A has deceased as well. So A's will controls. The heirs of A, could be Anthony, could be Adeline, could be Alfonso, right? But A's heirs will get 50%. But in that instance, it would require that A's estate be probated. If A doesn't have a will, there's an administration. So you might have a clause that would eliminate that type of situation, where you say, I'm leaving to A and B. Should they live 30 days longer than me, or 60 days, shall they survive me by 30 days or 60 days? In the event that A or B does not survive my life by 30 or 60 days, then, in place of A would be the children of A, or in place of B would be the children of B, or say you have young children, it might be that it would, that the way you would handle that would be, in the event that A or B does not survive me for longer than 30 or 60 days, winner takes all. If A passed away, B would get 100%. So there's a few permutations, right? A few ways that we can handle that situation. And therefore, that's why you should think about a survivorship clause in the will. If you want to discuss any aspect affecting our wiser community, right? I'm figuring if you're 50 or above, you're a little wiser. I'll go with that.